Hi there, welcome to the Tent News, where the truth comes to light and the stories everyone is talking about are brought straight to you. From shocking confessions and viral social media moments to real life mysteries and trending drama, this is the place where we uncover it all. Now, please watch this video first, and I will be back with the rest of my commentary.
When I was 9 months pregnant of my second-born child, I was living in my ex-husband's village with his mother. His mother was a very sweet woman. She was a very sweet, calm woman, very prayerful. But during the day, everything is okay. At night, I'm battling all sorts of battles. I didn't know what I was going through. I didn't even know what spiritual wars are. I'm a kid. I'm like 19, 20, 21. I didn't even know. But then the reason why I stopped telling my mother-in-law is because every time I would tell her, she would cry. And I realized I was depressing her. But these women who visited me every night, we knew each other. And I knew they know that they do come to my bed every night. And I realized that these women were preparing me for something. The reason why they now visited me every night when I was 9 months, they were preparing me for something. But I was not sure exactly what they are preparing me for. Since I didn't know what these women were preparing me for, I didn't know what to do or what to expect. Plus, I'm just a kid. One day, my mother-in-law had gone to church. One of the same old women I dreamt about, so I'm always with in the spiritual realm, battling, whatever. She brings me food during the day, daylight, in the physical. She brings me food. As soon as I touched that plate, my heart beat. My heart was beating beyond. I took that food, gave it to the dog. Dog poured soil on it. And then I realized that no, these people are preparing me for my death, either me or my child. Since my heart was beating, I was now scared. Now I know the reality, I know the truth. I take a nap. In my process of sleeping, I'm dreaming of my own mother shoving garlic and onion in urgency under my tongue. And she's trying to say something, but I can't hear her. Soon as I woke up, went to the shops, got garlic and onion for myself. Like always now, I don't tell my mother-in-law. That night, before I go to bed, I shoved the garlic and onion under my tongue as I saw in my dream. Went to bed. That night, my friends, they never show up. Second night, they don't show up. I didn't give up. I continued putting that garlic and onion under my tongue. Third night, they show up. Now, when you put garlic and onion under your tongue, before a witch has to come into your room, they have to fully paralyze you. When you have this concoction under your tongue, they can't fully paralyze you. For a pregnant woman, they had paralyzed me halfway. Now I was battling on that bed, battling, up until I threw myself off the bed. 9 months pregnant. In the process of me thinking, I've hurt the baby. These women are trying to touch me. Now it's no longer just a spiritual thing. They are here. I can feel them. They're trying to touch me. I picked myself up like a soldier from nowhere. Picked myself up. Falling on my knees. Picked myself up. Falling. Got into the sitting room. These women thought I didn't know them. Soon as I got into the sitting room, I took a knife and I opened the door nicely and slowly. I went outside. With that knife, I dug a hole. I knew they were watching. The presence of a witch, you always feel it. No matter how, you always feel it. I dug a hole with that knife and I spit the garlic and the onion in that hole. And I started calling these people's names. Let us be clear. First of all, be clear. Mention somebody's name. Rasimama, Masimama. I mentioned them as they were that particular moment. And I said it with my mouth. If I die, there will never be peace with you. Because me and my ancestors will come back for you. If my child dies, you're still going to pay for it. My dear, a week later, I gave birth to my child. It wasn't easy, but I gave birth to that child. Me, Zawadi. In life, never be afraid of a witch. Anything they fear is for you to know them by name.
A lady took to TikTok to share a very powerful story whereby she was targeted by a witch and a lot was just happening, but then she was still pregnant and it was just a lot going down. But her message really stood out for me, that never be afraid of a witch. Do not be afraid of a witch. I always tell people around me that do not be afraid of a witch. What the devil has done to us is that he have convinced us that witches have got more power than us. And that's a lie. I am here today to tell you that's a lie. You have got the power more than the witch, because remember, you were created by God and given the power to command anything, to even command the devil to flee away from you. And yes, he will flee away from you. The witch have got no power. If you want to see this, just look at where you are right now. People that maybe are suspected to be witches, or people that are heartless. Look at them, how suffering, like how they are suffering and everything. It's either their kids are just acting up, their kids are doing things, or they will not find peace. They don't have peace. And my question will always be, if they do have the power, why can't they fix themselves? Why can't they fix their own problems? Because yes, they do have the power. This actually shows you that they don't have the power. It's just that we have been manipulated to believe that witches have got power, to fear a witch. You don't have to fear a witch. I love this message. Like, I really love this message. It really stood out for me to know that there are people out there who think the way I think, who see life the way I see it, spiritually so, which you don't have to be afraid. You don't have to be afraid. Stand your ground and you shall see things opening up. You shall see things moving, falling into place. Don't be afraid. Just like this lady, she stood up. She knew that, hey, where I am right now, it's bad, and I have to stand up. She did just like that, and guess what? It worked out. Now, if you do that, it will work out.